Want to know how to change your name or your organization name in Snyk? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Snyk application or the website right here. Just simply head towards app.snyk.io and you should be right here. And now, changing your name or your organization is super simple. So on the left side, you should be seeing menu. You can just simply extend on it, and here you should be seeing this gear icon right here. Just simply like that. And now once you have affected settings, here you should be seeing your settings popping up, and here you can see your organization name on the first run right here. Now you can just simply change it. So you can just simply change it to anything that you like, and then select update right here. Now once you have affected that, as you can see right here, after a while your organization name or your username should be updated easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.